In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an if-then branch for a bot action in HubSpot so you can create smarter, more dynamic chat experiences for your website visitors. If you want your chatbot to respond differently based on user answers, properties, or specific conditions, this is the feature you need to use. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along inside your own HubSpot account. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, you need to open your bot. Log into your HubSpot account, and from the main dashboard, go to Service in the top navigation menu. Then click on Chatflows. This is where all of your live chat widgets and bots are stored. Find the bot or chat flow that you want to edit, and click on it. That will open up the Bot Builder, which is the visual editor where you can see all your message bubbles, questions, and actions laid out in a flow. Once you're inside the Bot Builder, the next step is to either add a new action or select an existing one where you want to apply the if-then logic. You can hover over any existing action bubble, such as send message or ask a question. When you hover, you'll see a small plus icon appear between steps. You can click that plus button to add a new action in that spot, or you can click on an existing action to edit it. When you click an action, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen with that action's settings. Now let's talk about adding a new action and turning it into an if-then branch. In the bot flow, hover your mouse exactly where you want the branch to happen. Click the plus icon. HubSpot will ask you what type of action you want to add. You can choose from options like send a message, ask a question, set a property value, or other available options depending on your subscription level. Select the action type that makes sense for your workflow and add it to the flow. After the action has been added, click on that action bubble to open its settings in the right side panel. Inside the settings, look for the Options dropdown. Click on it and select Manage If-Then Branches. This is where the real logic building begins. Then click Add If-Then Branch. Now you'll define your condition. You'll choose the property or value you want the bot to evaluate. For example, you might branch based on a user's answer to a previous question, their lifecycle stage, country, or any contact property stored in HubSpot. Select the property, then choose the condition operator, such as equals, contains, is known, or another available option. After that, enter the specific value you want HubSpot to check against. Once your condition is set, you'll decide what happens next. For each branch, you can direct users down a different path in the conversation. You might send one message if the condition is true, and a different message if it's false. You can also connect the branch to entirely different sequences of actions, creating a personalized experience based on user behavior or data. You can continue adding multiple if-then branches if needed. This allows you to build more advanced logic trees, especially if your chatbot handles different services, departments, or qualification paths. Just make sure your flow remains clear and easy to manage so you don't accidentally create confusing loops. Once you're done configuring your branches, and you've tested the logic visually in the builder, the final step is to save and publish your changes. Look for the Save button to make sure your work is stored. Then click Publish or Update in the top right corner so your new if-then logic goes live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up an if-then branch for a bot action in HubSpot. This is a powerful feature that can dramatically improve how your chatbot interacts with visitors and helps qualify leads automatically. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.